1990 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 or half ton here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Original mile truck, 75,738 on the odometer at the moment. 5.7 liter V8 power underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the chrome up front. Grill. As far as paint, this would be smoke blue and summit white. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. There'll also be a picture of the window sticker. So if you want to see exactly how this truck is equipped, that will be in with the still pictures also. Something I do want to mention, technicians noted, and this is a consignment vehicle, so the consignor said, hey, go ahead and announce it in the videos and the pictures and everything, and price it accordingly. The front tires, it will need front tires. There's a couple spots on the outer edge of this one where it's worn down to the belts. So before you're going to drive this truck very far at all, definitely want to replace those front tires, and that's something we can help out with, what have you. Like I said, consignor said go ahead and announce that, and we'll deal with it at the time of the sale, price it accordingly. So there you go. As you can see, running boards have been added. DZ aluminum running boards, it looks like there, step boards. Interior is original, blue cloth, split bench seat. There'll also be the owner's manuals. In the glove box, you can see a little more modern JVC aftermarket stereo has been added. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I want to show you these lower rockers and around the wheel wells. Nice shape in this truck. The cab corners, solid. You can also see that protective tape that would have came on these originally. Still there. This bed does not appear it's been worked real hard. Had a topper on it once upon a time. Lots of time you see this tailgate piece corroded. So this truck doesn't look like it has spent much for time outside in the elements. Chrome rear bumper, and again, take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, engine bay, interior. uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these Chevy trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Again, cab corner. Looking good. The protective tape still there, and that it appears to be the factory installed tape. Of course, 1500 for half ton. Obviously, two-wheel drive variety. And there may be a imperfection or a ding here or there in the paint. But again, overall, you can see this truck shows well. Not a bunch of rust or corrosion on it. Bed's in nice shape. A lot of life left in this truck, no doubt. All right, let me pull those keys a second. All right, the Silverado package, of course, we have power windows, power locks. Seating surface in nice shape, of course, with the original miles on this truck. Does not surprise me. Sliding rear glass, tilt column with speed control. There's your exact mile, 75,738. Here's this truck with stored indoors too. Look at the top of that dash. Stereo is working, as you can see.
Running or a seasoned athlete, 2025 is.
And heat and AC both working. As far as gauges, that was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. There's your oil pressure looking good. Fuel gauge working, and battery. Passenger seat, good shape, headliner fine. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. It sounds like you'd expect a 1990 Silverado to sound with 5.7 in it. All right, let me slip up to the front. We'll get this hood popped quick. Let's check out this engine bay, and then as usual, stick around to the very end of this video. Let Jason take it for a drive, show you how it drives out, kind of take it for a virtual ride, if you will. All right, hood popped, and engine bay. Check this out. This is extremely clean and tidy underneath here. Once again, power steering, power brakes, AC, 5.7 automatic with overdrive transmission. Looks good, sounds good. One other thing I wanted to mention too, technician noted I could use rear wheel cylinders, so there you go. 1990 Chevrolet Silverado, half ton or 1,500. Original mile truck, a little over 75,000. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1990 Chevrolet 1500 pickup truck. Regular cab, very solid truck. Showing low mileage. In my opinion, I mean 75,000 estimated miles here. It is barely broke in for one of these trucks. And it shows it runs great, looks great. Even the seats are barely warm. We have JVC stereo in the back. The HVAC is blowing and working as it should with the digital controller. Our oil pressure is showing 40 psi. The speedometer working. The temperature gauge is about 1/8 of the way up and still rising. Fuel gauge is just under half, and the battery is charging over 14 volts. It all looks great. Cruise control works on this truck. One thing that does not, the horn. We don't have a horn, but who needs a horn? Brakes feel really good. We do have a sliding rear window on this truck, which is always a nice feature to have. A little bit of traffic. Of course, a Prius getting in the way. As you can see, the weather is changing in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Easy to steer, corners as it should, suspension nice and tight, really good condition. 1990 Chevy pickup truck. If you're looking for one of these, take a look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.